His Highness, Sini most beloved, Bubagra, the founder of Tripura Motha, Tai, Sini Tripura Sarogno, Khabai Khugbai, Hamzagnai, Tini Oro Manjak Faijak, Bubagra no Chungpari, Bubagra Ayulok to Hinoi Pila, Angkong Narna Sekang, Khabai Khugbai, Bubagra Ayulok Tung Lainai, Bubagra Ayulok Tung, Bubagra Ayulok Tung. Dignitaries on the dais, ladies and gentlemen, the Frontiers President and the heads, and the most important Youth Tripura Federation, the YTF. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to share with you some of the memories that I have, which I have learned from His Highness Maharaja of Tripura on the theme and topic, youth leadership, which is beyond politics. Well, my younger brother Runiel had already told that Bo 2010 ni simi bahai ke Bubagra bai gedalui kerengui tini o jagawo bahai ke sok baikha. I too have some memories down the line. It was in 2003, first time as a confused child, as a confused boy of 70 years old or 16 years old, mon foot ni je somoyo class 10 no school ni sokogi roho jakfru. That's how my journey started in Shillong. Fiaba tini ati simamani ulo Bubagra hai borok bai Malaya gangkai. Today I'm nowhere. Tini ozagawo norok nu nugla khamo. My life could have ended at that point of time in the year 1998. But it was the blessings of His Highness Prince at that time, Sini Bubagra Yubraj. When he saw me as a little boy, Kolkata wo sung study tour ni Ferogi Paipro. Just hearing that, one student from Tripura too was part of the tour. Bo Painai, ani friendly Botabai, Binit Logesong, Sono Tripura Kolkata wo. First time in my life, Bo ano Inox, cinema hall, the big box, Azagawa Punuginai. That was how my journey began. The new life, the reborn Sunil Koloi, the journey, Azagani Simi, just one single frozen movement, just like a click of a photograph in a camera, that has twisted my whole journey. And that was the twist in my life's journey. It was in the year 2003. Thank you, Maharaj, for uplifting me and loving me so much till today. Of course, life ni journey, sadness, obstacle, amukto, unending process. And I'm not saying that the problem that I create is not the end till now, or it has not ended. But every time tabuk pujanto, small to big, any kind of problem, there's only one person in the state and in the world after my father's death whom I could rely and depend, and that is His Highness Maharaja. And not only for me, Zoto ni bagay, Zoto Tripura ni bagay, Sini Bubagra, Sini bagay, Bobini, Khagbay, Khugbai, Thiri winu bochono, Hamjagay, Zoto Tripura no, Hamjago. Omda jung sai mangka. The last incident, few years back, jung tamunuka, Je Tripura sarok oroi poroi engi tongfuru. Politically jung displaced, religiously divided, educationally jung backward, and economically poor. O jagawo sini politically sing redefine ngani sing orai poroi ngui tongfru. Ti prasarongno sabo thansa khaika. Sabo khaika. O bubagrano baksa nijni self-vested interest ni bagai jeng nuka public platform mo porjonto dagarjak kha. A dagarjak fru bohaino a jagawo angbu loge tongo bubagrani loge. It was so painful. Fiaba bubagra sabni bagi o jaga matlangjak. Sabni bagi o my situation, the circumstances bokhaitong. Is it because he loves money? Is it because he wants to become a minister? Is it because he wants to become some big business tycoon? No. Tiprasarok no gelukzak ni. Tiprasarok oroi poroi ngui tong thani. Azagani chono bahai ke tisanani hini cibo sini bagai sacrifice maklayo. Oh message. Joto ozag o hol bisingo tini 1500 থেকে 2000 youths tong nai. You should spread this message of love. Je bubagra sono the politics or the leadership of difference, the leadership of not hatred, the leadership of not violence, but the leadership of peace, the leadership of sacrifice, and the leadership of service. Amno to tasingo sini former YTF ni President Runel bobo amno saik langi thangka. Ten years back, if we recall the memories, Agartala hai jagawo, confidently himuisi maya. 10 years back, we cannot even think of walking freely in the street of Agartala. But today, tini om hai jagawo, YTF whole full kainai, o jaga kaika, samuni fanbai. Samuni fanbai. O bubagrano je senior borok thansano hamjagia. Je thansano hamjagia. Borok ulta pulta kok sanai. Those individuals who does not understand the meaning of unity, the meaning of Thansa, they are the people, they were the people, and they will always be the people who will try to divide us. But YTF will not let that division to take place. YTF a division no space reaction, because YTF being the genuine warrior of Bubagra, norok omahai divisive politics no stop kaina nangnai. Stopping not with the violence, not with the fight, but with the same ideology chini Bubagra chono frungmani. Then that is the day when we are going to achieve our goal. When Tiprasa and Tiprasa knows how to love each other. When Tiprasa tai kroksa Tiprasa no Bubagra hamza mahai kan sungbu hamza na sireng kang kai amo si Bubagra ni dream. Jeng leadership kayu. Jeng netagiri kayu. But netagiri and leadership without fellowship, thansa kering kangkai mungsa krei. Rang puisa amo mungsa klai manglak. But hamzak mungsi pirdih nei sini Bubagra sono sau. Norok zotono saimano, as you all are aware that youth plays a very important role in every society. Zoto somazo, zoto country wo, zoto deso, youth plays a very important role. Because youth need je leadership tongmani, but je strength tongmani, je fun tongmani, amo kebuni thani kroi. Country no defend khainai, amo bu youth siklarok. Nijini somajo je samung khainai, social work khainai, society no uplift khainai, amo bu youth resamungo, mesamungo, sports so, education no, je mung khainai, amorok bu youth. Tini ang omno sanamusungo, je seng faidi, bubagrani ozi imang, tipra sarok no thansa khainani, kaisa no kaisa, hamza riwinai, seng bahai ka thansa khai tongmanani, omo bini dream, omo busini dream, and our dream is Maharaja's dream, and Maharaja's dream is all youths and Tiprasa's dream. Bubagra ayu loktung, Tiprasa ayu loktung, YTF ayu loktung, Hambai, thank you very much.